Every exceptional host understands that presentation elevates ordinary gatherings into memorable experiences. The visual appeal of beautifully arranged appetizers, perfectly displayed fruits, and organized snack selections creates immediate impressions that set the tone for entire events. However, achieving professional-grade presentation often requires investment in fragile, expensive serving pieces that demand careful handling and occupy excessive storage space. The Wowbox 4PCS serving tray for entertaining delivers the perfect solution, combining elegant presentation capabilities with practical durability that transforms how households approach food service and kitchen organization. This thoughtfully designed serving platter set addresses the genuine needs of modern entertainers who demand versatility, durability, and convenience without sacrificing aesthetic appeal. The four-piece collection provides ample inventory for substantial gatherings, while the premium construction ensures reliable performance across countless events. Whether hosting intimate family dinners or coordinating large celebration buffets, these serving trays for entertaining adapt seamlessly to your specific requirements. The Wowbox serving tray dimensions measure an impressive 14 inches by 9.3 inches with 1.2-inch depth, providing substantial surface area for diverse serving applications. This spacious capacity accommodates generous portions of appetizers, abundant fruit arrangements, cookie collections, and various snack assortments without overcrowding that compromises presentation aesthetics. The depth prevents items from sliding during transport while maintaining attractive, accessible arrangements. The four-piece set configuration multiplies this capacity advantage, enabling comprehensive buffet setups or strategic placement throughout entertainment spaces. Position individual trays for serving food at different stations, distribute appetizer varieties across multiple platters, or utilize the complete collection for elaborate presentations that impress guests through sheer abundance and organization. This generous sizing philosophy recognizes that successful entertaining requires adequate serving infrastructure, often underestimated during event planning. Running short on serving surfaces creates awkward improvisations that diminish presentation quality. The Wowbox collection eliminates this concern through sufficient inventory, handling substantial guest lists without supplementary purchases. Traditional serving pieces crafted from glass, ceramic, or porcelain create constant anxiety during gatherings where accidents inevitably occur. A single dropped platter can shatter into dangerous fragments, creating safety hazards while destroying expensive serving investments. The Wowbox plastic serving tray eliminates these concerns through shatter-resistant and crack-resistant construction that withstands the realities of active, entertaining environments. This premium material selection delivers peace of mind that transforms hosting experiences. Outdoor barbecues, poolside parties, and backyard gatherings no longer require relegating attractive serving pieces to indoor-only applications. The durable construction performs confidently across diverse environments where traditional materials would present unacceptable breakage risks. The robust design philosophy extends to everyday durability beyond dramatic breakage prevention. These reusable plastic trays resist the scratching, warping, and degradation that compromises inferior alternatives within months of regular use. The investment delivers sustained value through years of reliable performance rather than requiring frequent replacement cycles that accumulate substantial costs. Post-event cleanup exhaustion makes easy maintenance essential for serving pieces that see regular use. The smooth surface design of these serving platters enables remarkably simple cleaning that restores pristine conditions within seconds. A few quick wipes with a damp cloth remove food residue, fingerprints, and spills without scrubbing, soaking, or specialized cleaning products. This maintenance simplicity encourages more frequent use by eliminating the dreaded cleanup burden that sometimes discourages pulling out serving pieces for smaller gatherings. When preparation and cleanup require minimal effort, hosting becomes more enjoyable rather than feeling like burdensome work. The Wowbox trays support a hosting lifestyle characterized by spontaneous gatherings rather than elaborate planning requirements. The non-porous surface resists staining from colorful foods that permanently mark lesser materials. Berries, tomato-based items, and other potentially staining foods serve confidently without concerns about lasting discoloration. This resistance maintains attractive appearance throughout extended service life, preserving the investment value that quality serving pieces represent. Space-efficient, stackable storage. Kitchen storage constraints challenge households accumulating serving pieces for various occasions. Bulky platters consuming entire cabinet shelves create organization frustrations that sometimes result in rarely used items occupying prime storage locations. The Wowbox serving tray stackable design addresses this universal concern through efficient nesting that minimizes storage footprint dramatically. All 4 trays nest together compactly, occupying little more space than a single traditional platter. This efficiency liberates valuable cabinet real estate for other kitchen essentials while keeping the complete collection accessible for immediate deployment when entertaining opportunities arise. No more rummaging through crowded cabinets or climbing to reach high shelves where seldom used items migrate. The stackable configuration also simplifies transportation when serving pieces travel to off-site gatherings. Potlucks, picnics, tailgates, and celebrations at alternate locations benefit from compact stacking that fits easily into vehicles without consuming excessive space needed for food contributions and other party supplies. While designed primarily as serving trays for entertaining, these versatile platforms excel across numerous applications, extending far beyond party food presentation. Kitchen pantry organization transforms when sturdy trays corral related items into accessible groupings. Spice collections, baking supplies, snack inventories, and countless other pantry categories benefit from tray-based organization that slides forward for complete access, then returns neatly to shelf positions. Refrigerator organization similarly improves through tray deployment. Group breakfast items, lunch preparation ingredients, or dinner components on individual trays for meal-specific accessibility. The raised edges contain any spills or drips from other items, protecting refrigerator surfaces while maintaining organized compartmentalization. The 4-piece configuration delivers remarkable value compared to purchasing individual serving pieces of comparable quality. The complete collection addresses diverse serving needs through single investment rather than accumulating items piecemeal over time. This bundled approach provides immediate hosting capability, while the durable construction ensures long-term value through years of reliable service. The reusable design eliminates the ongoing costs and environmental impact associated with disposable serving alternatives. Single-use platters might seem economical initially, but cumulative costs across numerous events quickly exceed quality, reusable investments. The Wowbox serving trays for entertaining represent sustainable value benefiting both budgets and environmental consciousness. Final assessment. The Wowbox 4 PCS serving tray for entertaining delivers exceptional versatility through thoughtful design combining generous capacity, impressive durability, and practical functionality. The shatter-resistant construction enables confident use across diverse environments, while the stackable storage design respects kitchen space constraints. Whether serving party guests, organizing kitchen storage, or supporting outdoor grilling adventures, these plastic serving trays adapt perfectly to countless household applications. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.